Hey gardening friends, welcome to my garden. It's been a while since I posted a video. We've had some really crazy weather. We've had heat wave followed by lots of heavy rain, so I haven't had a lot of time to get out into the garden. Things are looking a little crispy with all of the crazy weather. The weeds have decided to take over, but for this video I'm going to focus on the pretties. And I want to clean up some of the beds that have gotten a little overgrown and instead plant a few other plants. So let me show you where I'm going to be working. This is the bed outside of the deck area, and in front of the knockout roses, which are currently not in bloom, I had a bunch of lamb's ear that I started from seed, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, and they really just got out of control. They were really lovely for a long time, but then they really started to look bad. So I started to pull them out. You can see they've already started to push new growth. So I may leave some of them here, but really my plan is to pull all of these out, I think. And then right next to it, I have a salvia that I also started from seed, and I don't really like this salvia anymore because it starts to look a little weedy after the first flowering. So I'm going to pull all of this out for sure. And instead, I'm just going to replace it with these coleus plants. These are called spun glass. I started these from seed, and they were just some extra plants that I had. So I thought, why not just pop them in here and get rid of these salvias and most of the lamb's ear. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This is why I don't like these. See how tall and lanky they are? They start to look like a weed. Okay, so it's all cleared out. I got a weed back here. Let me get this. I get scratched by the rose bushes. So this is all cleared out, and I'll just pop the coleus in place, and hopefully that will look much better once the coleus start to leaf out. So I can really pack this they're pretty well spaced out. So I'll just dig a small hole. They're in 2-inch pots, so I'll just dig a hole small enough to plant them. I'm not going to add any fertilizer. I'm just going to pop them in the ground and water them, and that will be it. And there we are. They're all watered in.